everyone, my name is Nikkagabrielle and this is my first time trying an outfits of the week video, so let's just get started. My first look is denim on denim, a trend I swore I would never give into, but this light colored, more casual look actually didn't look too bad on me. I started off with a dark gray t-shirt from H&M. My light wash denim jacket is from Proof Collective. It's honestly my favorite jacket, and that's saying a lot because I own many different denim jackets. My shorts are from Levi's and I actually thrifted them off Poshmark. My shoes are just the very basic all-white Nike Air Force sneakers. I'm obsessed with them and you'll definitely see it in the next few outfits. I really didn't think I'd like this outfit as much as I did, but it ended up being super comfortable to wear. So comfortable that I could still be my very weirdo self in them.
Not out of frame, but it works.
Target. Where else to spend every little free moment and cent that I have? This is actually a pretty typical date for me and Kenny. We just roam around getting the quote-unquote things that we need, but end up playing with everything else we don't need. Kenneth!
Hello and welcome back to the vlog. Why? I want this sign.
My next outfit is actually super simple, girly, but still casual. My top and my pink scrunchie are from Brandy Melville. My paper bag shorts are from Princess Polly and I own it in 3 different colors. My belt is from Abercrombie and my backpack is an old one from Forever 21. Come here, show your OOTW too. Matching my top and bottom to one color is one of my favorite ways to elevate my look. For my third outfit, my one-shoulder tank top is from Eggy. I usually try to stray away from more fitted clothing, so when I bought this, I decided to size up, and it ended up being super soft and breathable. My shorts are the same ones from Princess Polly that I mentioned in the last outfit, but in white. My belt is from Banana Republic, but I thrifted this like years ago. My sunglasses are by Raybans. They're the hexagon style that everyone's into. My rings are from Swarovski. And of course, for my shoes, I'm wearing the infamous Air Force sneakers. Outfit number 4 is probably my favorite outfit in this video. The colors I'm wearing are super soft and natural, which is honestly my whole goal aesthetic. My light gray pocket tee is from Abercrombie. My linen pants are from Princess Polly. I've been searching for comfortable linen pants for years, and these pants are my actual soulmate. Honestly meant to be like cropped pants on way taller people, but this hits me at the perfect ankle length. The scrunchie on my wrist that I actually use is from Brandy Melville. My shoes again are my Nike Air Force. This is actually something you would catch me wearing like every single day. Like, I wore this outfit yesterday. Am I an outfit repeater? Yes. Don't judge me. I'm sticking with the same denim on denim combination that I was wearing in my first outfit, but this time I replaced my casual t-shirt with this black lace detail cami from Hollister. My hat is from H&M, my black silver detailed belt is from Brandy Melville, and last but not least, no, my shoes aren't Gucci, they're from Princess Polly and they're an amazing dupe. And that's it for this video. If you guys like these outfits of the week videos and you want me to do more, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.